Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enable on-screen keyboard on Windows 11. So if you have like trouble or your keyboard hardware is like some key or one of the key is not working, you can try use on-screen keyboard instead. So in order to do that, you can click Windows icon and click on settings. You can find accessibility, click it, and try to search keyboard interaction here. Here we go, there is on-screen keyboard, access keys, and print screen. Here, on-screen keyboard, you can try enable it. Here we go, this is the on-screen keyboard. So press the Windows logo key and Ctrl plus O to turn on-screen keyboard on or off. Let's try. Press the Windows logo key, Ctrl and O, and now on-screen keyboard is enabled. You can try to adjust the size, reposition, and also here there is option. Click it. You can use click sound. You can turn off or turn on. Show keys to make it easier to move around the screen. And you can turn on numeric keypad and click OK. This is the numeric keypad. And also you can hover over keys or click on keys in order to use the on-screen keyboard. And of course there's a text prediction. You can use text prediction in order to make it fast when you're typing. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.